Hello, I'm Raquel Campuzano, Senior Product Marketing Manager at Ansys, part of Synopsys. Today, I'm excited to show you what's new in Ansys ModelCenter for the 2026 R1 release.
Let's start with Ansys SAM'e. With full alignment to the SysML v2 language standard, systems engineers can now specify requirements using SysML v2 expressions. These expressions capture quantitative, logical, and behavioral relationships directly in the model. These expressions are now automatically evaluated without the need for scripting during requirement verification and can also be combined with external analysis in ModelCenter, providing a seamless experience to interact with SysML v2 language, leveraging its traceability and interoperability capabilities to the fullest. The analysis results, along with their associated metadata, are seamlessly returned to Ansys SAM'e and visualized in tables. These tables present key information such as requirement verification status and details about who performed the analysis. This capability enables engineering teams to adopt a truly model-centric approach, where architecture definition, requirement verification, execution, and external engineering analysis are all connected into one unified workflow. Ansys ModelCenter continues to expand its open architecture with a powerful new addition, the CAM-based Python component plugin. This plugin brings full Python scripting support to ModelCenter, making automation and customization smoother than ever. With it, engineers can easily connect ModelCenter to any tool that exposes a Python API, strengthening both MDAO and MBSE workflows. By integrating Python directly into ModelCenter, users can script, automate, and extend their workflows using one of the most widely adopted engineering languages. The result: simplified tool integration, less manual work, and the freedom for teams to tailor automation to perfectly match their processes. A major theme of this release is improving user experience and efficiency, saving time on operational tasks, and helping users easily navigate and manage their workflows in ModelCenter. The user interface is now cleaner, featuring updated icons, colors, and layouts. The goal is to make complex workflows easier to navigate and to improve overall usability. The 2026 R1 release marks the beginning of a larger UI refresh for ModelCenter. This effort will continue to expand in upcoming releases, so stay tuned. The Ansys Engineering Copilot is now built directly into Ansys ModelCenter, giving engineers immediate access to AI-powered assistance right inside their analysis environment. No need to jump between applications. If you are unsure how to configure a workflow step, looking for documentation on a specific component, or want to follow up on a support request, Copilot is ready to help. Now you get smoother workflows, quicker problem solving, and more confident decisions, all from within the ModelCenter analysis environment.
Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more, please visit us at ansys.com or reach out to your Ansys ModelCenter expert.